Hey guys, welcome to Chasin Trails Outdoors.
So we are doing a late season fall bait, throwing some apples into the bear site just to see if there's anything moving. I'll throw a camera up. Just want to get an idea if there's anything moving in there. And then we're going to go off and spot and stalk some bears, hopefully in some of the clear cuts around here. So we got the binoculars, got the rangefinder, got the big gun, we got a dancing Tyson. All right, guys, let's walk in the woods.
We're going fishing.
It's fall 2021, guys. Hunting season's here, and I am out setting up a bait site with Tyson. Just figured I'd see what's moving around the old bear site. In 2020, I kind of burned Tyson out on hunting. A lot of trips in the summertime, and then when the fall came through, just a lot of trips, baiting, and going on. So today is all about trying to make hunting fun for him again.
But like, I'm not faking that I'm having fun. I'm actually having a lot of fun.
Good. That's what I want.
I'm actually having a lot of fun. Like, actually, a lot. Because I want to see Andre, but this is really fun, in my opinion. Well, oh, Dad. Oh, tree sap is all over mine. There's a bit of tree sap on the actual thing, on this, and I got it on my hand. Oh, but no, it was there, but I accidentally got it on my hand. Can you maybe help me wash it off?
Just a little sticky. Oh, you're all right. Just put a little dirt on.
Can we
It'll make it non-sticky.
Can we just put water?
Yeah, there's water in the front door. So we just stopped here in the corner. We're on a little bit of a hill, and I can overlook this clear cut. So the idea now is to see if we can find a bear walking along the edge of the trees. Not the most effective way of hunting, but as you heard, he's having fun. That's what matters. New Brunswick is not really known for spot and stalk bear hunting, so we spent a lot of time driving back roads going from clear cut to clear cut. And frankly, putting my SUV in places maybe I should have a truck to be in.
Dad, I'm scouting the whole place.
Scout away, buddy, scout away.
Oh, yeah. Are we able to talk a lot louder because we're nowhere near the site?
Yeah.
A wolf could probably hear us.
We don't have wolves in New Brunswick.
I don't know. Wait, but
I don't think there's anything in this one.
But Dad,
What?
let's just look a bit longer.
You see it here.
Like all the way, like if you just, oh, I think I saw it. But Dad, it's too small to shoot. It's really small.
Well, you can't shoot deer right now anyway.
But I did
We're
see.
looking for bears.
Yes.
So you're looking for something really black. With Tyson as the navigator, we found ourselves on some pretty far back roads. We have garter snakes, grass snakes.
The grass snakes bite.
Yeah, they can, but they're really small, so they probably.
So I can put a foot on him and he'd be dead. Wait, no, Dad, I forgot. Some snakes can survive with their head bit off.
My conversations with Tyson reminded me a lot of conversations I had with my dad when he used to take me hunting all the time.
I
I think worms can.
Huh?
I think worms can.
They can. They can regrow their body back. But this is what worms do. You can kill them, but if you take off their head, they can regrow their head back. They don't die. But if you kill them, they'll die.
I don't know if Tyson will ever be a hunter, but here in this moment, enjoying this time, I can only feel proud as a dad. Listening to his tales and what's going on in his mind just bring pure joy to my heart. Well guys, we're gonna stop and have ourselves a little lunch.
Yes. He's gonna get to my shoe. God, I made a whole puddle of pee. Ah, fuck it. Dad, can I sit on the cooler?
Yep.
Right.
Sorry about the wind, guys. Tyson's just chilling in the car right now. I'm just getting a good flat spot here. Alright,
Can I help you put some sticks in?
Yes, you can.
Oh!
Oh, no, you gotta use really, really small ones like this.
Like this? Can I just drop it in?
Yep.
I'm scared to be burnt.
Hot dogs. How many hot dogs do you want? Okay, how many hot dogs do you want?
2 please. Whoa! I'm gonna put in one more, okay?
Yep.
No, Dad, you can look. You can see all the ice. Whoa, Dad, I think I'm gonna get in the car now.
What?
Smoke. That's, Dad, is that smoke?
Yeah, the fire went out. I'm trying to get it. There we go. It's lit back up.
I'm gonna go back in the car.
It's lit back up.
No, I'm just gonna stay in the car.
I don't think one had done it, but
They do.
well, we drove around. We glassed several different clear cuts. No bears, no moose, but we are enjoying some pretty darn good hot dogs.
Yeah.
How's your day been so far, bub?
Good. The one part I don't like is when it jumped on me like 3 seconds ago.
That's almost it for us. Got all the food packed up. Won't put the gun away yet, just because you never know. We're going to glass a couple more places on the way out. But and hopefully we'll see something. It'd be kind of cool to see a bear walking around and us maybe be able to get a chance to do some spot and stalk on it. But I'm not keeping my hopes up. So, alright guys, that's it. We're all packed up. Let's get out of here.